Hello guys, so today we are going to cook potato pancakes, alias bramboráky in Czech language. So we are going to need some potatoes, milk, eggs, then some flour. Please use the plain one, otherwise it won't be good. We need some salt, pepper, cumin, and marjoram, and some oil for frying. First, we need to peel the potatoes. Once it's peeled, we are going to use this thing and we are going to cut it into small things. Now it's time to put some salt and let the potatoes give the water. Once it gives the water away, like this, so just remove it. Okay, so now it's time to put some eggs. I usually put 2 eggs. And then some milk and flour, and it depends how much one you put, but you see while you mix it what you need to put more. I just do it by eye. I don't have any measuring for it. It's kind of similar like when you are doing pancakes. So let's mix it now and see how it goes. So once you mix it, it shouldn't be that much liquid. Probably similar like when you are doing pancakes. And afterwards it's time to put the spices. So I added there the cumin, and if you want you can also put some garlic, it gives a better taste to it. And also you can put a bit more salt if it needs to be. Just taste it and you will see. So once we added everything, it's time for the frying. Yay! So put your pan with oil and put it on the highest heat, and once it's already hot, start putting there the pancakes. Yeah, try to make it round and not so thick that it won't take hours for frying it. And now we wait till it gets good from the one side, and then we turn it to the other side. So once it's fried, I recommend to put some paper towel on the plate, that it sucks the fat from the pancake and it's not that oily. And that's it. Hope you like it, and bon appetit!